Hi guys, welcome back. It's me again, Joaquin. Welcome back to my vlog, and today we're just gonna probably day in the life with me. See you. Wait, never mind. I don't want a day in the life. I'll just probably video some clips what I do, but not necessarily day in the life with me. I'll just, typical vlog. See you.
1, 2, 3.
Hi guys! One, two, three. Hi! This is Ansha, Krista, and this is our vlog takeover.
A few minutes later.
Ayan. Hi! Hi Hunter! This is Wax vlog daw. Vlog ni Wax.
Ba't vlog yun ba?
Sabi niya mag-vlog daw kami sa phone mo. Ay, sa phone niya.
Phone ko?
Hi Hunter! Say hi! Hi!
Dapat portrait.
Ay!
Portrait. Ay, hindi. Landscape. Hindi portrait.
Saan ba landscape?
Okay na yan. Thank you Hunter for the guest.
Let's say hi to Hunter.
Hunter, look at the camera! Hunter! Baliktad! Yeah! Wow!
And this is the owner.
Say cheat later.
Okay,
Ay, si
bye.
Sechi! Dadalhin mo rin. Ay, thank you!
Around the village. We're walking.
Yeah.
And then this is her outfit.
Ay, thank you! Parang ano pang tulog na.
Wow. Fashionable. So we're here at the roundabout where cars are chasing us, so we need to go fast. And look at those cute doggies.
Wow, look at this.
So it's so windy, guys.
Yeah. Alam mo, summer na pero so windy. Paano ba? English ba ang content mo?
I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, there's a car behind us.
Ay, gusto mo mamaya ay, kunwari tatakbo tayo na may humahabol sa atin.
Okay. Ikaw maghahawak yung camera, ha? So right now, we're just passing by.
Landon siya.
Wait, here's Joaquin.
Hi po, Tito! Wala po eh. Ay! Meron po kami Thursday at Friday po. 3 to 4. Friday po. Opo. Ay, sige po. Grabe naman to.
The dog has shoes.
No.
So now we're going to the goat.
Oh, parang nakakatakot.
I know. Hi. Y'all. It's eating the grass. So that's Bert. This is Greta. Oh, they're fighting. Oh my.
Live action. Ano pala to? May sabong.
Later that night.
Okay, so
Hi guys! Hey you loser! Halika na! So hi guys! Hey guys! Welcome back to Wax Vlog! I'm with Jordy. What are you doing? You Ba't walang zoom in to, bad trip? Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
wala ka pang pop time. Hello. Wala ka pang pop time.
Say hi, Chago.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi vlog.
So today we're working out.
Welcome to guys.
What?
Uy, baka sponsored by.
Wait, this is not so sponsored ah. By Apple. Thank you, Apple, sa pagpapadala ng iPhone 12 sa amin. Kung gusto niyo sumali sa giveaway, just comment down below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Many hours later.
Happy birthday, Tita! Tita, thank you! Tita, thank you sa pizza! Ano to, vlog to?
Nakakagalitan tayo pag walang mask.
Ay, hindi pa. Thank you, Tito, sa pizza! Happy birthday!
Ano pala? Video pala.
Opo, vlog po! Ito po, oh. Pizza! To you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Woo! Bye po, Tito!
A few minutes later.
Thank you, Mom! Hi, guys!
Hi.
So today, we're going to get the duck.
Duckling.
Yeah. Anong name? Anong name?
Dunkin and Munchkin.
Oh, then, next clip, we're gonna show, cut that. Hi! Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, there's nothing in There's Maxi.
So, right now, we're walking there. There, oh. Look. Oh, di ba? May paano pa. Parang SD, ba?
Ganyan talaga pag mga professional.
Yeah. So, yeah. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
A few inches later.
Hi! Hey! Say hi to the vlog naman, mga goats. Hi! Ay, bakit Hi, guys! So, today, ayan,
Many hours later.
sneak peek lang, pero makikita mo rin naman to. You know.
You're right. He really needs to get up to the great beyond.
Patrick, say that again.
That again.
No, the other thing.
No, the other thing.
No, what you said before when you...
No, what you said before when you...
Never mind! I've got an idea.
Never mind, I've got an idea.